Here we are. I am Hugh Hendry. I have the great honor of, I was going to say interviewing, of spending time, of spending some quality time with Richard Werner, author of The Princes of the Yen. Richard, thank you very much for joining us. And of course, thank you to Real Vision, to Raoul, and to the team for making this happen. As background, Richard, your book, The Princes of the Yen, had a profound impact on me back in 2012. So I guess it was what had just, I don't know if I was reading it before or afterwards, but something profoundly interesting had happened and rare had happened in the financial markets with the re-emergence of Abe San as prime minister and his three-arrow strategy to stir a revolution. Where is Robin Hood now? But the initial excitement at the end of 2012, it was 2012, had sparked the equity market surged higher, and with it, volatility surged higher, and so I was trying to construct an overly complicated trade, and I became very fascinated on Japan. And for me, it was completing a loop, because when I began in my career in 1990, I was assigned to the Japanese equity department for an investment house in Edinburgh, and I had to present on Japan for a year. So, it's been with me.
Did we ever meet? Because I did go to Edinburgh quite a lot when I was chief economist at Jardine Fleming Securities.
So yeah, I guess we must have.
I was doing that particularly from 94, 95, 96, 97. And I would always go to Edinburgh and have sessions there.
So yeah, we wouldn't have that wouldn't have happened, because the model, which was wonderful, was a yearly rotation of the analysts, so that you never became. It's a bit like the gendarmerie in St. Bart's. They come from the mainland. They're not answerable to the local politicians, and in 6 months they get kicked off just in case they become contaminated. So I had moved on at that point. But your book was then sacrificially burnt by my wife. And then I was reading, I want to say a month ago, the comments page to an FT article written by Gavin Davies, and there was reference to the YouTube video, and I was like, "What? Really? Was that something you were? Were you the author of the video, or was that?"
I was very much involved, but it was two young video producers, documentary producers, who came across Princes of the Yen, and they thought this should be done as a documentary. Now, I had been approached quite a few times by documentary producers, also in Japan, because Princes of the Yen was a #1 bestseller in Japan, actually. And originally, that's how it all started in 2001. And so there were 2 attempts in Japan to produce documentaries on it. But as the Japanese journalists or editors explained to me, they got killed. So it wasn't allowed to happen. And so with these 2 young guys, and I told them, look, there will be some pressure on you, and there'll be some people approaching you and advising you not to go ahead. Oh, don't worry, we're used to that.